This video for those who come to Istanbul and mostly comes to first time and they haven't know from which shops they will buy the cheapest products and the less expensive products. The products would be the same, but when you buy from the roads and from the famous places, so you know it is so expensive. So I must recommend, if you want to like to buy daily use of products, just like water, just like cold drinks, just like chocolates, you know, dry fruits. So I'm going to tell you, the two shops. One is the right behind me, Sock, and the other is Beam. So the both shops are most less expensive shops, so you can have very economical products from there. So you can see right now this Sock, which is behind me, they are everywhere, all Istanbul, and Sock and Beam. They're two main less expensive shoppers. So I must recommend you have to buy your things from here. Okay guys, starting from the entrance, there are fruit and vegetable shelves. We can see about 34 lira, 29 lira. This is so it's normal pricing here. Okay, banana 29 and vegetable. Okay, when we come to the bottle shelf, you can see Red Bull 35 lira is 250 ml and 60 lira 500 ml. Okay, when we come to the Coke can, like this one, Coke Zero 20 lira, and this Crown Cola is 12 lira. So when we come to the this 1.5 liter is 1 liter 30 lira, and 1.5 is 40 lira, and the Pepsi is only 3 lira. Okay, and 1.5 liter is the same price. Okay, when we come to the Mirinda 40 lira, yes, and this is all for the bottles, and this is juices corner. You can see. Okay, let's come to the water. This is Saka company, water company, which is expensive than the other company. This half liter is 6 lira, and when we come to here and we use a planner, this is like 2.5 lira, and it's a 1.5 liter is 5 lira. If you buy, for example, 5 liter, I think it will be like 15 lira. So I think I recommend you will buy 1.5 liter or like 5 liter in your room and apartment, so you can take use it slightly. So here is the coffee. You can see sachet, different pricing and different recipes, like 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, and different recipes, 3 in 1. Everything is just not bad. Its pricing is so economical. Okay, you can see there. Okay, this is a big bag for the tea. Yeah, you can see here. And Nutella's 109 lira for 630 gram. Okay, so guys, this is it, and there's a lot of things to show you, but when we come as a tourist, so I think these are the things we like to have. And this is now the other dried fruits. You can see the pricing here. And the chips, potatoes, Cheetos, everything here, and you can see the pricing as well. Now this is a very good variety of chocolates. You can buy chocolates from your families and friends and kids. They are offering very good pricing. this is a wafer biscuits flavor are coming. A lot of different biscuits you can see here. I must say that pricing will be so much economical that you will never find any other shops. I think it's my best experience I have seen. So there are many biscuits over here, and there's a brownie and everything from here. Guys, this chocolate I must recommend. Which one is this one? You must try this chocolate. This one is so nice.